Let us start chapter number 5, Natural Disasters. Now, in this chapter, we will study about different types of natural disasters and also their harmful effect and some of the importance about or benefits of some of the natural disasters in these chapters. So, natural disasters are of two types. Disasters like earthquake, tsunami and volcano occur due to the changes in the interior of the earth, whereas disasters like floods, cyclone, forest fires, drought, etc. occur due to the changes on the surface of the earth. So basically there are two types of natural disaster. One happens in the interior of the earth and the other one that occurs on the surface of the earth. Let us study the first one, that is earthquake. The weak upper crust of the earth suddenly experiences tremors either due to collision of plates or due to the tremendous pressure in the interior of the earth. Waves or tremors of the earth originate from its hypocenter, which is deep down below the surface of the earth. Such sudden shaking or trembling of the earth's surface is known as earthquake. So basically earthquake happens due to the collision of the plates or due to the pressure that is exerted in the interior of the earth, and as a result, if one of these two factors happens, the earth starts to shake, and that shaking or trembling is known as an earthquake. Now, earthquake waves are created from the epicenter during the process of an earthquake. Earthquake occurs due to the internal disturbance in the earth. As we have already studied that it happens in the interior of the earth. So, whatever pressure and the heat is generated below the surface of the earth, that is responsible for the occurrence of an earthquake. Now, the point on the surface of the earth exactly above the focus or hypocenter is known as the epicenter. The intensity of the earthquake is felt maximum around the epicenter. So, epicenter is the area where the maximum intensity of the earthquake can be felt and maximum damages happens in the area of the epicenter of an earthquake. Now, there are three main reasons for the occurrence of an earthquake. Number 1, earthquake caused by volcanic eruption. Number 2, earthquake caused by strike-slip fault. Or third, earthquake caused by subduction in an active subduction zone. As we have studied that there are different types of volcanic activities that takes place regularly, and this is also one of the reason for the occurrence of an earthquake. Second can be the strike-slip fault or due to the collision of the plates, earthquake can happen or it happens. Third, there are different types of active zones where the pressure and intense heat is generated, and this subduction zone is also responsible for the occurrence of an earthquake. Now, the center of the earth is approximately 6,371 kilometers from the earth surface. So, this was some of the information about earthquake.